Ule Akhomo Mimbalone iminyaka eyisithupha ubudala uqala ibanga lika grade 1 kulonyaka. Ubebonakala eMagange impela ukuyoqala isikole kanti usenamaphupho zisuka nje.
Day, you woke up very early. And where are you going?
To big school.
Yeah, and what is big school?
Big school is primary school. And I want to meet my teacher, and when I grow up, I want to be an architect.
Ubabekazi wakhe uthi ujabule kakhulu njengoba eseqala lendlela.
Kakhulu kuba uzayoqala isikolo adibane nabanye abantu. So yeah, I'm so nervous.
Kube sekuba amalungiselelo okugcina lwaqala uhambo lweminyaka e12. Ube esezikhumbuza akwaziyo akufunda.
One fell down and bumped his head. Bye, mommy.